So AdWords is just so confusing. There's like the campaign, the ad sets, the ads, like it's all over the place. It's not as simple as Facebook, where every single ad set would go ahead and spend its set budget. AdWords is just like a CBO campaign where whatever budget you set for the whole campaign, it distributes it the way it likes throughout its ad sets and ads. And therefore, in this video, I want to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and organize your ad sets, your ads, your campaigns in order for you to proper split test. Because you've probably been in a situation where you wanted to split test keywords, placements, countries, but for some reason Google kept optimizing all the ads in a certain country, a certain keyword. You weren't able to perform a proper split test. So that's exactly why I'm filming this video. Before we get into today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get right into today's video. AdWords campaign setup for proper split tests. So let's say you want to split 3 placements. Keywords such as how to start dropshipping, placement, a dropshipping related video, and topic/interest such as marketing. What you do is you go ahead and create a campaign that you set for $30 a day, and then you have one ad group for keywords, one ad group for placements, one ad group for topic and interest. This is sort of how most people would set it up, and ideally you think that this would work perfectly fine and there shouldn't be any issues. But what happens, as most of you guys would know, is that the $30 does not get distributed evenly. $25 will go into maybe keywords, $3 might go into placements, and $2 might only go into topic/interest. Now the reason that happens is because Google would automatically give all your money to where there's a lot of traffic. So let's say there's a lot of keyword traffic, that's where they're going to spend most of your money. And the downside to that is, what if placements was going to perform super well, but since it didn't have as much traffic as keywords, placements wasn't able to get a true test, and as a result it was only given $3. So that's why how you actually want to set it up is right here. You want to create 3 different campaigns, and in each one of the campaigns you'd have different things. One campaign will just be for keywords, one campaign will be just for placements, and one campaign will be just for interest/topics. And then as a result, you'll be able to manually split up your $30 budget into $10 for each campaign, and then will you get a proper split test. Eventually, as you scale, you have to create campaigns splitting countries, targeting, age, etc. because this whole phenomena happens to everything. Because what if you have just one keyword and you have 5 different countries? All your budget is just going to the United States. All your other countries such as Australia, Canada, UK, they're not getting proper split tests because of the phenomena I just presented previously. So let's say you want to split test keywords, because one ad group could have many different keywords, from how to start dropshipping, how to start Shopify, Facebook ads for e-commerce, and there's many different keywords. If you have it in one ad group, split test won't happen. So here's an example. You have a $30 campaign, you have 3 ad group, one keyword is how to start dropshipping, one keyword is how to start Amazon FBA, and one keyword is Shopify, and these are 3 separate ad groups. Usually on Facebook, we have 3 different ad sets, and you have $5 per ad set. Each ad set with each interest will spend $5 evenly. But in this case, as you can see, $25 might just go straight to Shopify, $3 might go to Amazon, and $2 might go to how to start dropshipping. So it does not evenly spend. In order to properly split test keywords, you have to create 3 campaigns, and each campaign have 1 keyword each. Eventually, that's what's gonna happen with Facebook. On Facebook, to split test keywords, when CBO becomes mandatory, you're gonna have to create 10 CBOs for 10 different interests. Right now, we don't have to do that just because you can optimize and set budgets on the ad set level, but eventually if they go ahead and just do CBO only, that's how you're gonna have to split test 10 different interests for a product launch. So the same thing happens for split testing countries. If you have a one campaign, you have the one keyword, literally just how to start dropshipping, how to start dropshipping, how to start dropshipping, and you have one ad group going to Australia, one ad group going to the United States, one ad group going to Canada, it's not going to spend evenly. I don't know if you could split countries throughout different ad set. I think you just set the country for the whole campaign, But what you'll notice is that a lot of the budget will go to certain countries and you have no control on saying, hey, I want more money to be spent in Australia, United States, or Canada. So what you would have to do, just like I said previously, is you'll have to go ahead and split each country into 3 separate campaigns. Have one campaign just for Australia, one campaign just for United States, one campaign just for Canada, keeping everything consistent so you can have a proper split test, keeping the keywords the same, the placements the same, and that's how you go ahead and perform a proper split test. But yeah, that's today's video. Straight to the point, fast paced. This is something that a lot of people are confused with and struggle with, and they just don't know what to do. So that's my goal with this video, how to go ahead and set up your AdWords campaign for proper split tests. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Quick and straight to the point. No one's talking about this on YouTube. No one's giving away knowledge for free when it comes to AdWords, because just a lot of these gurus don't know how to advertise on AdWords and YouTube, and that's why over the next few months I'm going to be giving away every single thing I know about this platform, so you guys can jump on this untapped market of Google AdWords where the possibility is endless, just like Facebook was 5 to 10 years ago. Other than that, question of the day: how much % of your budget goes to AdWords? Let me know. For me, I spend literally probably like 70% of my budget goes to AdWords, 30% goes to Facebook. I want to hear your answers. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That's all I ask. So I give knowledge away for free every single day. All you can do is simply hit the like button and I'll be thankful for that. Thank you so much for putting your time and effort into watching these daily videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.